Morning, happy morning, safe morning, children. Can you guess who am I? Yes, I'm your English teacher. What? What? I can read your mind voice. Last week, some other voice, now different. I am also your English teacher, handling supplementary. Let me ask a question before start the lesson. Okay, dears? Yes. I am the longest living insect. I am living everywhere except Antarctica. I don't have ears. I can carry between 10 and 50 times my own body weight. Who am I? Can you guess? Honeybee? No. Mosquito? No. Then? Yes, ant. The first lesson is about the ant, the tiny teacher. Yes, dears. The first lesson is the tiny teacher. Though so very small, the ant is unbelievably intelligent and hardworking. Among the various kinds, the commonest ant is black or red. Ants live in comfortable homes called ant hills. These 3 points we are going to discuss in this chapter. Name the smallest insect you have seen and the wisest. Is it the fly? No. Isn't? Is it the mosquito? No, not the mosquito. Then it must be the worm. That is what? That is not worm. So you have to check the pronunciation here. WARM, worm. WORM, worm. Worm. Yes, dear, correct. No, none of this. It is the ant, the commonest, the smallest, but the wisest insect. The story of an ant's life sounds almost untrue, but people have kept ants as pets and have watched their daily behavior closely. So, we know a number of facts about this tiny, hardworking, and intelligent creature. Have you heard from your grandparents? If the ants go in a row, the rainy season will start. They can sense, the ants can sense it so only they collect the food and store. So we know a number of facts about this tiny, hardworking, and intelligent creature. Come to the next point. An ant uses its feelers or antennae to talk to other ants by passing messages through them. Here, antennae is the plural form. What is the singular form for this antennae? Yes, correct. Antenna. Good. Watch a row of ants moving up or down the wall. Each ant greets all the others coming from the opposite direction by touching their feelers. Yes, dears. Feelers are used to pass the message. The ants are using their feelers to pass the message. When the ants are moving on the wall, if you disturb the line by touching the wall, they miss their path. You check once as an experiment. Come to the next page. There are many kinds of ants. The commonest among them are the black or red ones. So, yes, dear, we can see the big black color bullet ant and a red color bullet ant and a black color small ant, red color small ant. Yes, dear. So, different kinds of ants we can see. We have seen them since we were children, but haven't paid enough attention to them. Where do they live? In their comfortable homes called nests or ant hills. Each has hundreds of little rooms and passages. In some of these rooms, the queen ant lays eggs. Others are nurseries for the young ones called grubs. So the young ones are called as grubs. Workers have their reserved quarters. They spend most of their time searching for food. Some rooms serve as storehouses for this food. Soldiers have separate barracks. Barracks means the quarters of the soldiers. Barracks. Okay, right. No worker has ever tried to live in a soldier's house. No soldier has ever gone out searching for food. No worker or soldier or cleaner has ever harmed a grub. So, you see, an ant's life is peaceful. Each does its share of work intelligently and bravely and never fights with other members of the group. In this para, this point is somewhat catchy. What is that? No worker, no soldier or cleaner has ever harmed a grub. They do not harm a small ones. Very nice, no? Yes. Then they do not interfere with others' work. They do not fight. They do their works. So there is no mess, there is no fight. So obviously their life peaceful. Yes, dear. Now come to the comprehension check. The story of an ant's life sounds almost untrue. The italicized phrase means what are the answers given here? First one, highly exaggerated. Second one, too remarkable to be true. Third one, not based on facts. So, not based on facts, wrong, because it is based on facts only. Then come to the second one, too remarkable. That is remarkable, not too remarkable. So the answer is highly exaggerated. Good. Come to the second one. Complete the following sentences. An ant is the smallest insect we have seen. So what is the answer? Insect we have seen. Then second one, we know a number of facts about an ant's life because people have kept the ants as pets and watched their behavior closely. Okay, dear. Once again, I repeat the answer. People have kept the ants as pets and watched their behavior closely. Good. Come to the third question. In what ways in an ant's life peaceful? In what ways? We have discussed in the last paragraph now. Yes. They do not interfere with others' work. They does they do their work. Each does, see that last line, each does its share of work. You can write in your own wordings also. You can change that answer like they do their share of work honestly, wisely and bravely. They never fight. Yes, they do not interfere. Yes. So an ant's life is peaceful. Good children, good. That's all. Very good. And next chapter we will see in the next virtual class. Yes, next video. Until then, bye from your English teacher. Bye, dears. Take care.